No computer, no capture card, just your phone, no problem. Today we'll be showcasing to you guys how you can use only your mobile device to stream to platforms such as YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, streaming your favorite mobile games, your Xbox Cloud gaming application, and even PlayStation and Xbox Remote Play sessions completely for free in great quality. The application you guys are going to want to download on your Android or iOS device is the Prism Live Studio application. On my iPhone, I already have it installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and select the open button. I can use my Facebook, Google, or Twitch account to log in with, so we'll go ahead with Google. I'm all signed in now. We're being brought into the application just like this, and one of the first things that I see is actually being able to filter my screen and my face right off the bat. So these are actually kind of fun to play around with. And what's cool with this app is that I can use this front-facing camera to go live with, or even a video if I wanted to. We're gonna stick with the live tab, and I'm gonna move right over to the screen option. And now this app isn't just some typical boring stream recorder application. What we can do is swipe to the right and we can add media and playlists, which would be imports of videos and photos, even music from our phone directly. If we wanna add text, we can select that option. Boom, just like that. Done. And there's even widgets we can add to the right of that, which this is where you can add the Prism chat widget, which is just the chat dialogue and overlay on top of your gameplay, which is really cool. And there's a whole bunch of settings so you can play around with in here, such as how you want to show the layers. There's text color, there's chat color. You can choose the opacity of that text, which is how see-through it'll be on your gameplay. You can choose a font, and then below that at the bottom, this is probably the most important section, is how you want those chat messages displayed on your stream. So you have 4 different styles you can select from, and just pick the one that's your favorite. There's another widget option for web, and this is where we can add the URL, let's say from our Streamlabs links, in case we want notifications and pop-ups for our alerts that occur on stream. If you click into any of the overlays, this is where you can manipulate where you want them to be on screen. I should probably flip this, right? Like this way. Now we can move stuff around to the locations that we want them. Okay, we're ready to go live at this point. We're gonna go ahead and select the ready button, then set a destination, and now we can log in with our Facebook, YouTube, Twitch account. Select whichever of these applications you want to stream to. You can even do the custom RTMP option if you have the URL and stream key for where you plan on streaming to. I'm gonna log in first with YouTube. Public stream looks good. And now I'm gonna select my name, and then I'm gonna select all channels to go back real quick. And now I can add another channel just by selecting the add button, and we're gonna do Twitch. So let's connect that bad boy as well. And now if I select my name one more time, I can go back to all channels. I can see all the accounts that I'm logged into, and all I need to do from here is turn on the multi-stream beta option and select which of those channels we want to multi-stream to at the same time. Before we press that go live button, let's double check our settings. So where you see 720p right now, I'm gonna select that little thing, and this is where you can set your stream resolution, quality, and frame rate. For my YouTube streamers, you will have the ability to upload a custom thumbnail if you'd like. After that, you can go live by selecting the yellow go live button. Just don't forget to turn on your microphone if you want commentary. Streaming on iOS, you'll find that you'll be able to stream your phone screen, but the overlays won't work as they're currently only programmed for streaming off the camera of your iPhone. On Android, this isn't a problem. The overlays will work for either of the setups, including streaming your phone screen with a face cam. To enable this feature, while you're live, just click the app icon, turn on the camera feature, and then position and resize it wherever you'd like. If you added the chat overlay widget from earlier in the video, you'll be able to read your chat messages right over your gameplay screen, which is just freaking awesome. So on Android, there won't be a need to go back to the app or use a second device to see the chat. Now, why don't we have some of the Android features on iOS? Well, it's an operating system development limitation. They're just programmed differently, but soon enough, hopefully these limitations will subside and we'll have those features on iOS as well. Another feature that's awesome with the Prism app is that you can stream your remote play and Xbox Cloud gaming sessions. This worked especially well screen capturing on iOS. Android, I did experience a black screen using the PlayStation Remote Play app, so results may vary depending on your device, but definitely give this a try. Once you're finished with your stream, you can go back to the Prism app and select the end option on the top right side of the screen. And what's so cool is that you can actually get a recording of your stream once it's over. And you can save that file to your photo library. Crop the stream down, get some highlights, upload shorts, TikToks, you name it. If for some reason you didn't decide to end the stream on your own and you're getting an invalid broadcast session error, this is most often than not due to limited memory on your phone. So my recommendation is to close out all of the applications and games that you're not using while you're streaming, so that way you can get the best performance results. But there's the Prism Live Studio application for you. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I definitely think this is a very solid quality app, extremely limited on bugs and issues. They've done a great job improving this application, and I can't wait to see what it's gonna be like in the future. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, of course, if you're new around here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.